During a stop, it's important to check the operability of the device. First, ensure the camera is present, unobstructed, and positioned to photograph the driver. Also check that the device is wired into the knee bolster area. Next, ask the driver to turn the vehicle off, then wait more than 2 minutes. It takes at least 2 minutes for the device to reset. The driver must blow into the device to start the car again. Permit 2 chances to start the car. On the handset, there will be lights or a display which communicates to the driver as they proceed through the sampling process. Be patient and supportive, as the device may be sensitive to changes in the driver's breathing patterns if they are nervous. Once the car starts again, you can proceed with the original reason for the stop. There are several common issues to keep in mind regarding these devices. Even if the driver restarts the car, they could still be impaired. The Ignition Interlock device only detects alcohol, so impairment from other substances is possible. Investigate suspected impairment like you would any normal DUI stop. Conduct field sobriety tests or a drug evaluation if you think it's appropriate. If you encounter a device that has been circumvented or tampered with, you should document the evidence for follow-up charges. Take pictures of the issue you observe. Note the manufacturer of the device and its serial number. Write a violation for circumventing the device, and notify the Washington State Patrol Ignition Interlock program. Do not remove the device or any of its components. If you encounter a driver stopped in an unusual location, it's possible they've pulled over for a retest. The device requests random retests every 10 to 45 minutes. Interlock clients are discouraged from retesting while the vehicle is moving. It must be done within about 5 minutes, or it will trigger the vehicle's horn to honk. If the car's horn is honking quickly and rhythmically, this indicates that the driver ignored or failed the random retest. One explanation is that someone else initially started the car for the driver, and he or she has detectable alcohol in their system. Investigate this as impairment. If something leads you to suspect tampering with the device, impairment, or another attempt to circumvent rules, treat those red flags as a serious matter. Participation in the Ignition Interlock program demands strict compliance. Ensuring compliance keeps our roads safe.